Lately, we've been talking about the problem of engineering efficiency and the amplification of that problem through overburden. Work coming into the engineering group, increasing the amount of work without increasing the capacity. To get engineering efficiency, we think there are 7 things that are necessary. First is clearly understanding what is active, what work is active in your organization. The second is understanding what work is waiting to become active in your organization, if you will, a backlog. The third is the ability to reprioritize work on a regular basis. Again, if you do time boxing, you'll have a cadence, and reprioritization in each cadence period will allow for that. And then the fourth is the ability to estimate the effort required for any project. Those are the 4 ideas that probably most organizations are familiar with, but there are 3 more that are tied to time box concept that I'd like to lay out for you today. The first is actually having a standard for capacity utilization. How much engineering efficiency, how much time do you hope to get out of each engineer in creating value for customers on a regular basis? And then there's communication. We call it right-sizing communications. How do your engineers communicate with each other amongst their teammates? How is the communication for forward-looking work managed? And how is progress communicated from the technical side to the business side? Ideally, this is done through visual communication. And in the time box concept, this is done easily at the end of each time box or cadence period. And then the last of these is operating your team, really operating them as a team. We tend to operate our engineers as individual contributors, as individuals, and call them teammates, assign them to teams. But when we take their capacity and we break it amongst 4 or 5 different projects, we really are disenabling their affiliation with the team and operating with team behavior. This problem, the problem of teams, the problem of breaking our engineers into tiny chunks, we'll talk about these concepts in other videos. But for now, we'd like you to understand that the concept of time boxing can be a huge driver in the increasing of your engineering efficiency. If you'd like to find out more about time boxing, feel free to reach out to us here at EAC Product Development Solutions.